Okay, in question 8, we're looking at an equation, 3y plus 5 equals 26, and we're trying to figure out what is the variable. Well, the variable is the unknown that we're trying to solve, and the variable here is y. And what is the coefficient? Well, it's the number in front of the variable. So notice that 3y is the two things we're multiplying together, but we want the coefficient, and that is only the 3 in front of the variable, not 3y, just 3 is a coefficient. And so what is the solution? Which one of these will work? Well, let's figure it out. If I take 4 and I say 3 times 4 plus 5, I can see if I can get 26 plus 5, and that does not equal 26, that equals 17. So it's not 4. Let's put a 9 in there and see if it works. 3 times 9 plus 5, and we'll see if it equals 26. So 3 times 9 is 27, plus 5 is not 26. 9 will not work either. Let's try 7. So here we go with 7. We have 3 times 7 plus 5. Will that equal 26? Let's see. 3 times 7 is 21, and 5 more is 26. 7 will be our answer, and y is our variable. We're not going to even use that.